Do you want to be rich? Do you want to be successful? Then Warren Buffett, one of the richest and most successful investors in the world right now, has some advice for you. Warren became a millionaire when he was only 30 years old, and since then, he has only become richer and richer. Today, he is a multi-billionaire. Over the years, when asked about pieces of advice that he can give to young people on how they can also become rich and successful, Warren has given numerous tips and advice. And in this video, we will talk about 10 of the most popular pieces of advice that he gave. Although you might have heard about some of this advice before, stay tuned because we will discuss each of these to help you clarify and understand things better. So make sure to watch this video to the end. This is Financial Intellect, where we promote that to be finance savvy, we are your buddy. Now let's get right into the video. 1. I will tell you how to become rich. Close the doors. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. If there is one piece of advice that a young person must take seriously, is to be different. Why? Because people tend to do things without even thinking. Most of the time, people just do things without analyzing things properly. If they see that it's working for others, then they just follow. If they see that a certain stock is priced high, then they tend to buy a share to ride the wave. This decision is wrong. So wrong. Smart people do the opposite. When stock prices are high, this is when smart people sell. Hence, be different from most people and instead be a smart person. Do the opposite of what most people do, just like how other successful people, such as Warren Buffett, do. Don't be normal. 2. You can't buy what is popular and do well. As we've mentioned before, whenever something becomes popular, then it is over. This is also applicable in business and investment. If you've heard it in the news or have read it somewhere, then this is a sign for you to work on other things instead. Do not go where most people are going. Do not follow the flock. Be different. The key is to instead look for hidden opportunities. Read more books and search for knowledge that no one knows yet. If you know things that others don't, then an opportunity will surely knock on your door. 3. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. One of the mistakes young people tend to make is doing business just because they like doing business. But do you understand what you are getting yourself into? What you should do instead is master your field. Choose 1 or 2 fields that you are most interested in and study them hard. Say no to other things that you do not and cannot understand. Don't invest in something just because everyone is doing the same. Don't invest in cryptocurrency just because everyone is doing it right now. Do not invest in the stock market if you do not even know how the market works. Do not invest in real estate if you do not know how to handle taxes and tenants. Do your research and study it until you've mastered it. 4. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. If you want to start a business, what will you do first? The answer is to do your research. Unfortunately, more than 90% of people will never even bother to study and read books about business. If this sounds like you, then don't even bother asking why business and investing are risky. Ignorance is the real risk that must be avoided. Hence, to reduce risk, do your research. More knowledge means fewer risks. 5. No matter how great the talent or efforts, some things just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. One of the reasons why some people are poor and unsuccessful is that they are not patient enough. They want to achieve things quickly, want to master new things in a short period, and want to succeed fast. In reality, this is not how it works. It takes time, dedication, and persistence to create wealth and be successful. No matter how talented and bright you are, you have to be extra patient in dealing with whatever comes your way. Always remember that success does not happen overnight. Great things take time. As they say, you cannot produce a baby overnight by just impregnating women today. Just continue working and let time do its magic. Before we move on to the next one, if you're new to the channel, kindly give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will know when we've posted new videos. Now let's continue with the next advice. 6. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours and you'll drift in that direction. As they say, Tell me who your friends are, and I will tell you who you are. This is also applicable in business and investment. As a young person, you tend to associate with lots of people. This is the stage where you interact and socialize a lot, may it be in a friendly or professional manner. But the most important question is, as a young person, who are the people you are hanging out with? Who are you dealing with most of the time? Believe me or not, some people are not even conscious of who they hang out with. The people you spend most of your time with, wherever they will be in the next 5 years, this is most likely where you are heading to as well. Hence, it is very important to choose the people you associate yourself with. It's that simple. If you want to be successful, hang out with successful people. If you want to be rich, hang out with rich people. Choose your circle carefully and cut off people who bring no value to your life. 7. You won't keep control of your time unless you can say no. You can't let other people set your agenda in life. What can you see around you? Look closely. Distractions. Everywhere we turn seems like there are endless distractions out there. From TV, social media, parties, and even bad habits. All these stuff are distractions and will only hinder your path to success. If you want to become rich and successful, these distractions will bring little to no value in your life. Do not let it control you. Hence, if you want to be productive and lay your path to success, say no to these distractions. Take control of your life and work on more productive things instead. 8. You don't have to be smarter than the rest. You have to be more disciplined than the rest. Some misconceptions that people have is that you have to be smart and talented to succeed. That is wrong. Always remember that it is not about talent and intelligence alone. There are many talented people out there that are broke and unsuccessful. If you want to be successful, the most important things that you should instead possess are discipline, practice, dedication, and persistence. 9. The chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. What are your habits? You might want to rethink what you do with your time and energy. Avoiding a bad habit is the best thing that you can do if you want to be rich and successful. Sometimes, people just shrug off small bad habits thinking that it does not harm them at all. But remember, you can become a slave of your bad habits when you let them grow. Just think of those drug addicts. They started with a small dosage, but eventually, they ended up enslaved by their addiction to drugs. Do not let yourself fall into this trap. 10. Enjoy your work and work for whom you admire. Do you love your job? According to a study by Gallup, 85% of people all over the world hate their jobs. Come to think of it, you spend more than 50% of your adult life working, yet you hate your job. That sounds sad and miserable. Hence, try to do things that you enjoy instead. Work on things you like doing. It may be hard at first, but going through this is the key for you to eventually create a job or business that you truly enjoy and admire. And those are some of the advice that Warren Buffett gave to young people who want to be rich and successful. What are your thoughts on this? Which advice do you agree or disagree with? Let us know in the comment section below. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've watched, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, financial buddies!